Okay, rockin'. Hello, everyone, and welcome to part 2 of getting the GitHub data saved into MinIO. So back in part 1, we ran into some interesting issues that I wasn't expecting. So while there is an HTTP data source, it doesn't. While there is a Hadoop HTTP data source, using it with Spark, specifically Spark data frames, has some difficulty in it. It doesn't seem to work because of the how we call the list API on it. So went ahead, switched it over to loading the data in Python, but then we found out that the default request user agent was blocked, so that wasn't working. So we changed the user agent around. And we got the data loaded into an RDD, but I still want to turn it into a data frame so that I can write it out in a nice structured way for part K. So that's what we're going to do now. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah, so let's start with figuring out. Cool, not a party. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna separate this out. Insert. Okay, and because I wanna test this code really quickly. RDD of records take. Cool. So, JSON load. Okay. So we want to go ahead and we want to decode it into UTF-8. So that's. Okay, now. Okay, stir object has no attribute read. Okay, that doesn't really help. Oh, dot loads. There we go. Oh, wait, does this do... Huh. Alright. Hey, Timbit. I love you, baby. Thanks for defending me. Oh, actually, and this does give us a very nice... Actually, yeah, so that's fine. So that actually gives us much better JSON parsing than we were getting. Cool. That looks great. Oh, okay. Maybe Timbit, do you need a outside break? Do you think you need? Let's see if Timbit needs a potty break. We're gonna go and take him out back. Oh no! Except for the part. Okay, the Timbit camera is just a little slow. Okay, come on, buddy. Let's go back. Let's go see what's going on in the backyard. There we go. It's gonna be a lot of fun. When we get like this if you do your business show, yeah? Hey, buddy. No. Poop for prizes. Come on, buddy. You want to go potty? Came outside, buddy. I know you're a very brave defender of our house. Those are our next door neighbors. They're very nice. Potty?
I thought I heard somebody.
You have a friend, Timbit.
They're almost friends. Almost friends. Oh! Say hi, Moku. Go say hi. Go. Yeah, so I'm sorry if there's poops back here. I can't.
No worries.
I have Joe comes over every couple of days to pick them up. And thank you, because I know you've been helping too.
It's okay. It's not. Unlike Carolyn, I don't have the same. With Mocha's poops, they're very fine. Yes, they are. Almost as fine as yours, Timbit.
Go play. Mocha, go play. This is your chance, because you know you're not getting a walk from me. Go play. I think she wants to, but she's being there.
I mean, they already did a little bit this afternoon.
Okay.
Timbit ran around in circles and Mocha quickly chased him.
Oh, you guys can pack up on that dog. Yeah, there you go. Oh, no.
Mocha's happy to see the other dog, whereas Timbit is like,
No, that's her. I'm excited. Do I need to start barking? Go poop in the corner. Don't poop in front of the chair. Just to let you know, I think Joel will be over later. I can barely make it to the bathroom myself. I have another doctor appointment on Monday.
Okay. Good luck. Oh, fingers are crossed.
Did she poop or pee?
She just...
You can tell because when she pees, the tail goes like this, it's a curl.
It's curly.
Yeah, if it's a curl, she pees. If it's like this, like a weird, like kind of like a...
Then it's time to go get the poop back.
Right.
I know Timbit.
Yeah, you she. Good Moku.
You want to go potty, Timbit? You want to learn from Mocha? No? I don't want to learn from
Go play. Like I said, you're not doing it. If Joel doesn't come over, you are SOL.
This was for Timbit. What did we give you for you? You want to sit? Girl. Yeah, I'm sorry, buddy. You haven't done anything for treats yet, so yeah. I know I'm very, very yeah, that's the hose. We're not playing more hose game today.
I think it was kind of cold.
Oh no, I mean Carolyn played hose game with him.
Oh, I thought I heard that this morning.
Yeah, lots of barking from our favorite.
That's when you do it though. Earlier when it's warmer these days.
Oh yeah, because otherwise he just starts shivering, but he doesn't want to stop playing.
Right.
Okay. I guess he's going to bravely defend theirs.
Okay, well, good for him if he does that. Yeah.
Yes, you are so brave. At least they're your stairs this time instead of trying to like go up Anson's stairs. Yeah.
Alright, Michael, what do you want to do? You gonna stay out here or you gonna come? I don't mind. She's like, but I'm bored. Michael, you should have played.
I'll see you. See you later on, Pamela.
See you later. I hope we're both trying to heal.
Good luck.
Yeah, you too. Okay, come on, doctor, come on. Or do you want to stay? Okay, fine. I can't handle it.
Okay. Well.
Alright, there
So,
you go.
the good news is, Timbit is amazing, and I love him. But he did not use the facilities. Which is, honestly not the most surprising. We'll go ahead and we are going to we're going to cache it. On one record quickly. So that's great. And now I want to go ahead and turn this into a data frame. Don't remember how to... Oh, fuck. Oh, wait, really? That finished quickly. Okay. That actually looks kind of... Huh. So it's got map types. Doesn't look bad. Okay. Now what we want to do is go ahead and write this out. Probably also want to cache it. Just because we're gonna... Cool. So now we're gonna go ahead and what are we doing? Okay, yeah. Records df dot write. Data frame dot py. Okay. You want to write it as parquet. Yes, I would like to... Don't remember. Okay, let's look it up. Spark partitioned right. Okay, partition by. There we go. Okay. So then we are going to go ahead and we are going to... I kind of want to turn the created at into something useful. I think that that's not entirely unreasonable. So we want to partition by um, okay, so we're actually gonna go ahead and so I want to parse this into okay, Python parse date from string with time zone. Great. Huh. Not quite what I want. Hmm. 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 I think I've actually done this before. I feel like I have. Okay, Python. Okay. Well, whatever. Doot. Ooh. Okay. Uh, 2. Okay, let's just look up this. Doot. There we go. Okay. So so I guess it's year, month, day. Hours. Fuck. Okay. Year. And then, okay, I want month. Is it 0 padded? I don't know. Huh. I think it probably is. Okay. And is day of the month 0 padded? I think it is. Let's go take a look. Yeah, that's 0 padded. Okay. And then we want the hour. And the minute. And then the second. Okay, hour, minute, second. Doot. Okay. What? Oh. Date time. From date time, import date time. Cool. Sounds good. Created at, yeah, whatever. Let's keep the original around just in case I screw it up. And then cool. So then we do the processing, convert it, take a look at the schema, cache it, and then I want to partition by I guess repo name and date, or date and then repo name. I think repo name then date. Okay. Oh, now we actually need to talk to MinIO. So let's figure out how to do that. Spark MinIO. Oh, there's some config stuff that I want to set up in the server, probably. Okay, well, we'll end up having to rerun all of this because Do I want to do that here? Or do I want to do that? Can I do that with options? I guess let's find out. Let's find out. Yeah, okay. We could also set these options on the start context or by how do config XML? Let's find out. Lovely. Okay. So yeah, let's go ahead and get the endpoint. And we got that in the other one that we uploaded already. Okay, this is my endpoint URL. Oh yeah, I think I set the key to not very creative. It's okay. Yeah. That's access. Or, oh, no, access.key, secret.key. The next option that I'm going to need, I think I need to set this, it's the path style access to true. Then I need to disable SSL. Yeah. I don't actually remember where I've been writing this to. Let's see here. Oh. No, not. Oh, it's called save. I always get save and write mixed up. Okay. S3A. There we go. Oh. Interesting. And a little bit inconvenient, but mostly interesting. We do not have the Hadoop AWS profile built. We need the Hadoop AWS profile, I think. So there is, I want to, okay, I think there's a property that I can set. Don't remember what it is. Yeah. Yeah. So, PySpark, add Java jar conf. There we go. Yeah, here we go. Dash dash packages, which, okay, that's sort of what I want. But we're not using Spark Submit because we're going through client mode. Let's go take a look at Spark Submit. Yeah, okay. Yes. Spark conf specify packages. Can I do this in the Spark conf? Yep. Here we go. So, load S3A, jar, and load S3A jar. Yeah. If you get your Spark container was not compiled with Hadoop AWS profile, you can add it for the matching Hadoop version. Okay, so Hadoop AWS do, do, do. Go ahead. Group ID, artifact ID is Hadoop AWS. How do I get, I wonder if there's a programmatic way to get my Hadoop version. PySpark determined Hadoop version. So below, double check Hadoop version. Okay, yeah. 3.2.0. Okay. So let's go ahead. Stop the Spark context. Great. Let's see how it goes. Looking good. Thanks. Oof, my eyesight is not good. Let me open up Twitch so I can see who. Thanks, Audacious Ferris. Yeah, I am doing pretty well. Life is pretty good. Oh, and this is actually going okay. Okay, cool. Well, gotcha. Yeah. For now, since we're doing this together, we're just going to do the one URL. I'll come back later and we'll do the full URLs. Oh, really? I should figure out what's going on with that. I wonder which microphone I'm using. Oh, I bet I know what's going on. Yeah. So I think right now I'm using the microphone that's built into the webcam, and there's probably some stuff going on. And I'm doing that for reasons that are a long story, but mostly involve having to work from home. And my other microphone is being used on my work computer. And I had it set up to go on the little USB switcher, but it turns out that it doesn't play very nicely with that. So thanks for letting me know, and I'll figure out a way around that. Okay, cool. So rockin'. So the bucket Spark test does not exist, but we see that it's now working, right? Like we're not writing the data out, but like we fixed that jar issue that we had, and it's actually connecting to our MinIO cluster. Well, not cluster. It's connecting to MinIO, and it's getting told like, hey, what's up? This is not a party. Okay, so I want to figure out what profile I'm in. Yeah, that looks like the right one. What was I gonna? Oh yeah. What's running in here? Okay, we've got the MinIO service running. Hmm. Okay. Oh, yeah. Fuzzy memories. Okay. I guess I could just do a kubectl port forward. Yeah, let's just do that. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yep. Oh, yeah. What is my deployment name? Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Cool. Now we make the bucket. Now we go back. Okay. But I totally made that bucket, didn't I? Ah. Wait, what? Huh. Huh. That's weird. Why is that? Okay. I'm gonna try something. Let's take this option off. Okay, cool. Yeah, permission denied because it's trying to talk to. Oh, interesting. Huh. Huh. Let's restart the kernel and see what happens. Okay, let's see if this works any better. I don't. It's possible it just cached that the bucket didn't exist. I could see that. It would be a little annoying. But, yeah, it would totally make sense. No. Damn it. Okay, saying that the bucket Spark test does not exist. Huh. Sometimes, well, okay. Let's take a look at the logs, see if there's anything that gives us a hint. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. I mean, so we see the resolution succeeded. That's cool, right? Like, but I'm not seeing anything that's telling us what's going on here. Hmm. Fuck. Okay. Uh, uh, so, hmm. Uh, yeah. Nothing particularly interesting. Although, actually, let's go ahead. We can use the browser access. Uh, your access key, your secret key, super secure. Okay. I would like to make a new bucket called Spark Test. Okay. So maybe just the make bucket command was not working. Um, hmm, hmm, hmm. Yeah, it looks like maybe my local make bucket was not working. Hmm. Oh yeah, and yeah. Huh, that's weird. Uh, yeah. Don't know why that's not working. Or sorry, actually, let me rephrase it. I think this is working. I think it's just taking a little bit of time. And that's kind of to be expected because we're writing a bunch of data. Oh, and actually we've got the MinIO browser, so we can actually go ahead and see what's going on. Uh-huh. And so it actually is writing some data. Oh, cool. Yeah, it looks solid. Uh, Part of me wants to separate it by org instead of repo. Oh, because there's a lot of repos. Like, I don't know. Whatever. So let's go take a look here. Mm, mm, Yeah, this directory listing is going to be expensive. We could just partition it on date. Although downstream I want to train like per repo models, I think, so I think maybe doing per repo is fine. Or let me rephrase that. I think maybe doing per repo is a good structure for what it is I want to do downstream. But also maybe training per repo models is silly and that's not going to be a big success. Well, how do I block a user? Yeah. Spam. There we go. Yeah. That's cool. Well, okay, so this is working, but it's taking a while. And that's probably actually because partitioning by repo name was like not a solid idea. It seemed like a really good idea. But I actually don't think it ended up being the right idea. So, but we know it works. So I guess let's just go ahead. We're gonna. Uh-huh. Too many repos. It's fine. So then I think the other thing that I want to do over here. I don't know if you can see this, but Timbit, being the wonderful little boy that he is, has gotten up on my shelf, well, up on my stairs to try and get at my drawers, which are forbidden snack items. I will have you remember. Yeah. But you know what is not a forbidden snack? You. You are not a forbidden snack because you are the cutest. I love you. Yeah. This is Professor Timbit. He is amazing. Yeah, you are. Okay. Let's go ahead. We're going to interrupt the cell. Yeah. Oh. Do. And then we're just going to go ahead and we're going to just have it do an actual, like, reasonable set of data. And I think that's it. There are some places where this is a little bit harder. There are some places where it was a little bit easier than in Dask, but overall it's pretty similar. So I guess it's done. It'll go ahead and like work on this data for a while. So that's good. And we're at about the hour mark, so I think that's pretty solid for us. Oh, it failed. Let's go ahead and figure out where it failed. Oh, yeah, okay. Doot. Yes. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I had a slight typo. That happens. Cool. So thanks everyone for joining. Um, we're gonna, oh, yeah, we're gonna wrap up now. I might do some IoT stuff in like an hour or two, but I also might not. It sort of depends on my energy and what folks want. So yeah, have a lovely day.